I showed you the crab legs. Or are these the king crabs? The big daddies. Potato. Corn. Y'all, we dripping today. So, if you don't like it, holla. And then I guess it's just this little sauce. So I'm gonna leave the bag here for the sauce, y'all. Cause y'all, this shit. It's so good. Gosh. Look. This probably gonna be messy. So, forgive me now. I'm gonna try not to burp here because I want to stop burping. My baby said, and maybe this just changed, but if you burp in Germany, that means the food was good. So I burp. Because I want to, but the food is good. Hey, hey, hey! We're grubbing. We're grubbing. It tastes so good like I knew that it would. We're grubbing. Cause that's me. I'm GrubN Gina. Ah! What up, everybody? It's GrubN Gina. I want to go ahead and thank you to my channel. I want to thank you for your love and support, for those who continue to click on every week, every month, every year. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe. I think you can hit it just right there down below. Go ahead up here though too and hit the bell's notification, and you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Today I'm doing me a king crabs boil. I don't know if you can see it because of this clear bag, but baby, when I tell you it's going down, 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 baby, it's going down. So I got some crabs. Let me go ahead. This is the kind of bag you have. So let's see. I'm going to throw that there. I'm going to put this here. I got my limes here. My lemons, my butter sauce. I got my hot sauce. My fork, my scissors. Ketchup for my potatoes. Ketchup. I like ketchup. I got my water. I need that right now. Right now, don't. Come on. I love water. I also got me a little Jack Daniel's cooler. Only because it's seafood. Y'all been working 10 days straight. Potato. I showed you the crab legs. Or these the king crabs. The big daddies. Potato. Corn. Y'all, we dripping today. So, if you don't like it, holla. And then I guess it's just this little sauce. So I'm gonna leave the bag here for the sauce, y'all. Cause I don't like my sauce all over the place. I don't. Alright, so we about to get on and popping. I've been talking too long and I know that. Just trying to get set up before y'all. I had the little bag. I'm going to add some of this hot sauce. I like to put it on my... I like to just sprinkle it everywhere. Like... And then I got like a bag of butter sauce, y'all. Y'all probably can't see it. Maybe at the bottom you can. But that's like some butter sauce. Excuse me. So we'll just get it on. I got this ketchup I'm about to open. Because I like it on my potatoes. I don't know. It's just something about potatoes and ketchup. It just make me want to say, na 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 na. Yeah. Yeah. This don't make no sense at all. This probably gonna be messy. So forgive me now. I'm gonna try not to burp here because I want to stop burping. My baby said, and maybe this just changed, but if you burp in Germany, that means the food was good. So I burp. Because I want to, but the food is good. Y'all. God. This shit. It's so good. Gosh. Look. Let's go. Do some lime. That shit is good. Gosh, man. Damn. No. Sorry. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. It's not right. It's just not right. Gosh. I ain't know, man. I don't give a damn. But I do. You feel me? Okay. Now that I get snapped out of it and I'm back to reality, okay? Let me say hello. Hello, 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 hello. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today is just a nice cold night. I got me some crab legs going on. Some potatoes. Try some potatoes and some ketchup. Man. Dip it in that sauce. Look. Put that butter on it. Add that ketchup. And if you feeling kind of, you know, on one, just have some drizzle. You know. This is so good. Like, I promise. That's why I say don't throw crab away. Them little things y'all be throwing away be having mass hella meat in it. And they probably happy. You feel me? But you missing out. Y'all better start. And stop cracking those Stop using your teeth to crack your shells. Do an experiment. Okay? No, serious. Because I've been going to the dentist for like 15 years straight. I'm going to say 11. Let's just say 11. Right? So my teeth should be great. You feel me? But I had got some fillings done, like 2. For real. God, this do not make no sense. Right. So, I go back to the doctor. I gotta swallow it. So I could talk. But I went to all I'm saying is yeah. To hell with it. I don't know what I'm saying. So much meat in here. Gosh. Look at that. Y'all be throwing that shit away. So I go back to the dentist. A new dentist. And she's like, you need new fillings. Like, on the ones I already had, they were cracked. And I'm like, what? Like, yeah. But they want to do all this extra work. Like, I've been going to the same dentist for 15, let's say 11 months. Okay? But now I need all this work. So the whole host of legits of me telling you this. Stop cracking your damn teeth. I mean the crab legs with your teeth. You damaging your teeth and they ain't gonna tell you. Okay? They ain't gonna tell you. That shit good. Y'all. I promise you. This don't make no sense. Stop cracking your teeth. Your crab legs with your teeth. They're damaging them. One day, just do an examination. Look up online. How does using king crabs or crab leg affect your teeth? You gonna stop. I apologize, I'm working on that burping, so excuse me. Look at that. I still got all that and a whole nother one. Y'all. This is so good. Look at that. Stop throwing meat away. Stop cracking teeth. Stop cracking your using your teeth to crack your crab legs. It's damaging inside. You can't see it. And I ain't gonna tell you either. But I'm gonna tell you. Because I love you. Stop using your teeth can't pick that up now. Yeah. I can't even explain it. And even if I tried, it probably wouldn't make sense. So I just keep it to myself. As if it makes sense. I swear, I promise you though. Like, look. I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. Look at that. Y'all, I want to apologize for being messy tonight. I know I am. Cause you know why? Nigga. I got king crabs. These ain't no little um snow crabs that I'm always eating. So this is a treat for me. See what I'm saying? This shit hurt. I can't get good girl. This shit hurt. Thought I was gonna get it out, y'all. Not today. No. We are not the same. Not we, like me and you, but me and this food. We are not the same. My baby surprised me with this little joint right here. He was gonna have pork chops, and I love, like I love my baby food. No lie. I love that nigga food. My baby can cook. Like gourmet, type style. For real. But anyway. I'm trying to eat more. See when y'all don't be eating all the crab? I ain't gonna keep telling y'all. That's what y'all be throwing away. And I'll be watching it like, please don't throw that shit away. Look at all that meat. I'll be like, whoa. Yeah. This is my favorite part of having to work for it. It makes it all good. promise you, it should not be this good. Nothing in this world should feel this good. Nothing. Nothing. I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Coming up on my last. Here, puppy baby. Mommy didn't offer you any all night. Here. That's for you. Now, when you eat this shit, you ain't even trying to eat no more smoke crack. You feel me? I mean, I am, but I'm just saying. Who wants to go back? No. Let me just say, look at that. What you want me to do? This is the last of everything. So I'm going to drench it wet. Double dip that. I'm sorry. I've made a mess. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.